So the next design that I shall do is on the red. I am just going to make straight lines coming across, and then on each line I will put a circle, like a filled in circle. So that will look good. I think I didn't have my camera on when I was showing these. So these are just angled lines. And they cross over each other. And then I just fill them in. Do not press hard on your pen. The ink will just flow out on its own. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I am going to go in and fix this line. Now with that line, I got rid of the corner of her eye, which is what I wanted to do. I think on the next one, I'm going to use the fine point, the fatter one, and just come down the middle like that. And then with the other pen, the ultrafine point, it's sort of like a leaf design. So I'm making V's. So the next one is just going to be solid circles. And for this one, I am going to use the fine point Sharpie. Just try to make them all different sizes. How about some stripes? Uh-oh, my Sharpie is dying. Trying to keep those lines straight. I find if I go back and forth, I can keep my eye on the line. This is very bumpy because of the surface. I wanted to do that whole one because this is on its way out and I wanted it to be consistent. And it looks good. Alright. Turn my book so I get the right angle going. On this one, I'm going to follow that curve. And my pen is being rather funky. It's given me a double line. I don't know if I meant to use the thicker one here, but I did. And it's certainly not perfect at all. But you know what? It looks good. I think I am going to... I think I am going to come this way now. That looks very good. It's hard to come up with designs. You need them all to be different. So I'm going to make pretty much that size circle using the fine tip. I say fine tip, I think, you know, I think that, but it's not. So I'm just going to go and make circles. this surface is a lot smoother, so the Sharpie is working fine over here. So I made the circles. Now I will take the ultra fine point and make like pie cuts. Is that what I'm going to call it? And with a circle in the middle. So now it looks like an orange slice, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a circle in the middle.